Okay. So far, so good, right, guys? No problem here, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Mr. Wallace, are you there? Is Miss Nicole in the call as well? No. Let me check on a few names. Is Miss Nelly in the class?
Yes.
Okay, good. Mr. Patrick Bingo, are you there? Happy Luombo is there. Saw
Yes,
him.
I'm here, Patrick Bingo. I'm here.
Okay. Mr. Gibrason is there. Miss Nicole is there. Miss Joyce is here. Very good. Miss Severine, Miss Francine Proso is there. Let me check. Miss Benny, Mr. Eddie is there. Mr. Abdullah. Mr. Abdullah, are you joining from work or are you in the from
No,
home?
I'm home. I'm
You
home.
okay. Okay, please watch carefully, okay? Very, very important.
All right.
Miss Nelly, please watch this. Miss Divine, everybody.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to have here, let's say 1110/30, and everyone know why we put /30 here, right, guys? It's only two IPs,
Yes.
points to points. Okay.
Yes.
And here, from this router going to the other router on G02, we're going to have 2220/30. And here, on this side, we can do 3330/30. Now we can call this one router 1, R1, R1, R2, R3, or 1, 2, 3. Okay. So
Okay.
let me check, put some color. You guys notice always Miss Divine putting colors when she labeled. For those who are curious to know how she does it, you just grab a square like this, okay? You can put another one here, another one there. And then you can just put a notes inside, right? This is R1, R2, R3. So building 1, building 2, building 3, right? So we can call them just router 1, router 2, router 3. Make sense here? So far, so good, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now on each network, we have some LAN. So here we're going to have HR. If you want, you can get the color here. You pick your color. I don't know which color, yellow for HR. This section, we can call it HR. Ten 0/24. Make sense? And then
Yes.
another one. Let's keep the same color for the LAN. No?
It will be white. You have to select the color again.
Yes, thank you.
Now it's good.
No, it's gone. I have to select it. Managements, MGT. Okay, and then this side, we can call it Cells. There's a cells then. Cells will be the, let's put 10, 10, 10 over there. /24. And wow, so we just give it a 20s. Here. Good. Now we're going to put the last usable address of, or the first usable. Let's put the first usable on the interface. Okay, guys? So
Yes.
first usable will be 1 for H, right? Because it's /24, and in on the point-to-point, this is what we call point-to-point connection, right? It's just one point to another point. There's nothing in between. Okay. All right. So only 2 IPs here. So let's do it quickly. I'm going to be a little bit fast on the interface only, right? Because everyone knows how to do interface. Okay.
Yeah.
Config host name R2. Something new. Look at this. Enable password KCA 123. Okay. This command, remember, you consider your router as your phone. Okay. You don't want to let your router, like when you do exit like this, okay, guys, and anyone can just access it. Now, when I do enable, what do I see now? It's asking me for the password.
Password.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
KCA 123. Now the router is protected. Make sense?
Okay.
So it's a simple command. I'll be showing you just tap enable passwords KCA 123. Right? You can put any name, any password, but you must remember it. Okay? Good. Right. So that's small detail. You can also do this banner MOTD.
Okay. To the global configuration.
Yeah, that's where we do all the config, right? Globe configuration. Banner MOTD, you say warning unauthorized access is prohibited. Is this how you spell prohibited?
Yes.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
Okay. So check this out. Exits. See that? Now, when you log into the router, they say it will tell you unauthorized access prohibited. So you informing some bad guys who trying to mess up your router configuration. Whenever they log in, they see that message already. Make sense? Anyone who's trying to break into your system, and when you hit enable, they can't log in because they don't know the passwords. SCA 123. So slowly we'll be introducing small stuff. Okay, no worries. Now let's do what we were supposed to do today. So enable passwords, you just put the passwords and then banner message of the day. It's called banner like this. Message of the day. That's what it means. So we tap the command banner MOTD. Make sense? That's the command. And then you put # and you put your message there. For example, hello SCA. Like this. If you exit, you see that, right, guys? Hello from KCA. Enable, you put your password, KCA 123, in. Good. So we're going to learn that later. Let's focus on DHCP and static routes. So we need to finish static route and we need to finish. There's one more thing we need to do with DHCP to learn today. Okay, guys? What time is it?
Okay.
7:35. So we have 30 minutes to finish DHCP. Now let me do the interface. So I'm going to put 111 on G00, 2221, okay, on G02, and then the rest on the other interfaces. Okay, let me put it this way. So we know it's G01 there. Okay, back to this router 2, config T, interface. Which interface is it? G01. All the G01 goes to the LAN. Okay. Let's start by doing DHCP here. Okay, guys? Before worrying about the rest. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll tell you one thing. IP DHCP pool. Since this is HR departments, right? We can call the pool HR, okay?
Yes.
Pool HR. Enter. Network. HR network is 10, 10, 10, 0, 0, sorry, 255.255.255.0, okay?
Yes.
And then we need to define which IP we will give them as default router, default
Default
gateway.
router.
So default router, we can give the first one, okay?
Yes.
One.
Or
Thank
the
you.
last one.
Yes, or any usable address. It doesn't have to be the last, the first, whatever you pick. If I go back here, I say 11, okay? 11 becomes the default router. Make sense?
Yes.
Good. Now, do show IP interface. We need to exclude some IP. Since we're giving 11, let's exclude from 1 to 11. That way the PC will start getting from 12 and above, okay? So IP
David,
DHCP, come again?
David, I thought the default router was supposed to be the IP address you give to the interface.
Yeah, that good one. I haven't done the interface, but I already know 11 is the IP. So when I go to the interface, I'll have just to put 11. Make sense?
Okay.
Yes.
There is no order. Like you can start by setting up DHCP and then you set up the interface. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Now we need to exclude IP DHCP, excluded address. Since 11 is already taken for manual, we need to exclude that so that DHCP doesn't attempt to give it to a different host. Okay?
Yeah.
10, 10, 11, 1 to 10, 10, 10, 11, right? So this
Yes.
range, DHCP will never try to assign it to any device because it's excluded. Remember, we have a /24, 254 IPs. So we have excluded 11 so that DHCP will start assigning IPs counting from 12, right? Because 1 to 11 is already excluded. Make sense?
Yes.
Now, at this point, if we do, now, which information do we have? We have the network and the default router, right? So DHCP must read the route table. Do show IP routes. As of now, there is nothing in the route table. Can you see, guys?
Yes.
Nothing is there because we haven't configured any router interface yet. Do show IP interface brief. When you configure the interfaces and you put IPs, that's when the router starts building its route table. Now, when the router builds the route table, then DHCP will be able to tell where does this belong, this network live. Make sense? On which
Yeah.
interface? Does it make sense, guys?
Yes.
Now, if I do interface G00, IP address, now I have to remember to put whichever IP I picked for the default router. That's where I need to go on my G00. Does it make sense?
Yes.
11 and then 255.255.255.0. Enter.
No shutdown.
Good. That was my next thing. So when you put an IP on the interface and you check the route table, DHCP doesn't still register it until that interface is on. Make sense, team? As you can see, there is no C, there is no L, nothing on the route table, right?
Yeah.
Now, we go back to that interface G00, no shutdown. Now do show IP routes. One moment, the interface is still coming up. Let me call it back. Do show IP routes. Let's see. Was it really G00? Oh no, it's G01. Sorry. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do we need to do? We need to remove the IP from G00, right? This IP, and move it to G01. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone know
Excuse me,
what?
Mr. David.
Go ahead.
So, Mr. David,
Go ahead.
the way you are working on, I
Mhm.
understand that. I understand the way you are saying, as you say, there is no like
Order.
any orders
Mhm.
you say. So, but
Is
I
it
don't
confusing?
know. It's confusing. So, if you can keep us as we are learning right now,
Okay.
so if you can keep us an order, and then so later on we can do whatever we can do. But right now, to keep
I
us on
got
the
your point.
track, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be a little bit good for us. Sorry.
That's a valid point. I got you. So the reason why I'm doing this way, right, Mr. Serge, right?
Yes.
If I started by putting an IP address on G01 and no shutdown, you will not notice how the router is building the route table. I want you to see which sequence is making the router build the route table. Make sense?
Okay.
Let me explain myself. If I started by following the order, right, it will work. But I want you to understand it in depth. Make sense?
Mhm.
If I do what you're asking me to do, for example, do reloads. No, not reloading. Let's say interface G00. Let me remove that IP default. If you want to remove an IP from the interface, you just go inside that interface and you say no IP address.
The IP address.
And it's gone. Okay, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then we can go to interface G01. No shots. Sorry. No shots. IP add 10, 10, 10, 11. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do show IP routes. Now you see, Mr. Search, this router has built the first route table entry, right? We have C for network, and then L is the IP address which we gave on that interface. Make sense?
Yes.
Then DHCP can now start working because there is a network here. See this network we define in the networking statements. DHCP, where is that?
On the DHCP, we're gonna work.
Yeah, that's it. It's working. It should be working now. For for HR only.
Yeah, for a try.
Here, if you come to this PC and then request, you should get an IP. See
Oh
that?
yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So let me do it one more time for you guys. Do reload. So Mr. Serge, I'm starting from scratch. Okay? This
Yes.
router. And anyone, please, you have a question about DHCP? Let's address it now and fix it.
Well, I have a quick question, Mr. David. I don't know if that's DHCP, but
Yes.
I was trying to follow along with you, but
Mhm.
when I try to select my cable,
Mhm.
it's not giving me the regular one. It shows auxiliary and console only. Is that normal?
From which side are you saying? When you already selected the cable and you're plugging it on the router?
Yes, I'm trying to go from my switch to the one of the router, and it's not giving me the option, only auxiliary and console.
Did you pick the right router, like 2911?
The router, yes, for the route, no, hold on. For the router 2901, it should
So
be
you picked
2901.
11, this one.
Okay, never mind then. Okay, so I
Good.
guess that's the issue. Thank you.
No worries, no worries. So let's start over now. Mr. Serge, this is your technique, right? So
Yes.
let's do it from yeah. So G01 goes to this network. Let me fix this. Yeah, good. G01 goes to actually it goes to 2020. G01, okay? It goes to this network. So we have to go to that interface G01. First, do show IP routes. This is just to verify what's there, okay? Nothing is there. Can you see that? If
Yeah.
you go to G01, you put an IP address 20, 20, 20, 11, right? And then 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. This command enables the router to register the entire network, not just this IP, the IP and which network he came from, right? Inside the route table here. So now when you do show IP routes, now you have on G01, it's telling you we have what? 20, 20, 20, 0, and we've chosen ourselves randomly, right? We pick a random IP from 1 to all the way to 254, right? And we pick 11, which has been assigned on G01. That's the local IP to the router. So far, so good?
Yes.
Do show
Yes,
IP
nice.
interface brief. Now we have that here, right? G01 is set up. Make sense? The rest is off, down, and shut down. When we do that, we need to exclude some IPs, right? For DHCP. Now we need to configure DHCP, IP DHCP pool, HR, right? And then we need to define the network for the HR network, right? Network 20, 20, 20, 0. Their subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now the default router must be the IP you put on this interface. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Because that IP you put there will become their default router. Remember, the router, before this PC goes anywhere, he must first call the router, right? So you need to tell it which IP to assign there for the default router. So the default router will be 20, 20, 20, 11, and that's it, right? And then we can exclude IP DHCP, exclude the address. Oh, sorry. 20, 20,
20.
21, 20, 20, 20, 11, right?
11.
Then when we go to this PC, the first guy will get 12, right? And then next we'll get, see, you already got 12. Can you see that? No, that's 10. We need to change and request a new one. And you guys know how to request it from command prompts, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Let's do it for this PC.
IP config /
Renew. Yes.
IP config.
/
Renew.
like
Renew.
this. Then you have your information. Make sense? So at this moment, these two guys can ping each other, right? These two PC, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
They can talk. They are part of the same network. Even without the router, they will connect over the switch.
Yeah.
Now we need to set up the third router. They have 30, 30, 30. Okay. G01. We're going to pick 11 as well there. Do show IP routes. Okay, we got it. Now IP DHCP. Which LAN was that? MG management. MGT. The network is 30, 30, 30, 0. And their default router will be 30, 30, 30, 11, right? Let's exclude. Come again?
Yeah, that was what I was saying.
Mr. David,
Yes.
Oh, no. You're right. You're right.
Let me just
11, not 12.
no, I just want to exclude 59, okay? Because we have 254 IPs. So the first 59 won't be touched. Make sense? This is just to show you variation. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
What will be the first IP there?
60.
60. Yes.
40.
60.
60.
Yeah. So
60.
when you come here, you do IP request,
60.
you got 60. Right, guys?
Yep.
Yes.
And this guy will get 61. If you exclude the first 99 IP, 1 to 99, first IP is 100. Make sense?
Yes.
Because we have usable is what? Is 254. So we have a good number. Okay, now let's do router 1. This is 10, 10, 10. Okay? Let's do router 1. Is DHCP difficult, guys?
No.
No, it's not.
No.
No.
It's
Easy money.
Easy money. Good one. Good one. Yeah. And then we're going to say IP
It seems
DHCP.
easy to Mr. David only because the way you're commanding them with the
No,
with
it's
it.
easy to you guys too. I see you work in the group. You guys are doing it already.
Because the way you teach us how to command, like you say, like right now you say no SH, which is no shutdown. We didn't
Yeah.
let it. So
Yeah, I do it on purpose so you can see the shortcuts, right? You already know no shutdown, right, guys? Everyone knows no shutdown. So if you just do no SH, it will just take it as no shutdown. So network
10, 10, 10.
10. If you make a mistake here, guys, what's gonna happen? Like this.
the error is gonna point out.
No, this is a valid network, but it's not the one we have on that interface. So it will never serve an IP.
Set up the
Make sense?
operation. Yes.
It's a valid network, but it won't. As long as this network doesn't exist in the route table, this pool will never work. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Mr.
you just
David.
go ahead.
Yeah, I want to say if you go every time we go in order like this, sometime when you go, you're gonna see someone working in the router, don't respect the process like this. We will be confused. We need some time to work. No respect the order. It will be better for us too.
That's
I
what I
don't know
wanted
if
to
you
do at the
understand.
beginning. That's
Yep.
that's what I started. But I want
It will be something better for us too.
yeah, let's go in order and then we're going to switch, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And then 10, 10, 10, 1. IP DHCP. Now another shortcut, exclude, you just tap X, okay? And then 10, 10, 10, 1, 10, 10, 10, 11. Or let's do 99. Okay, guys? You see a new shortcut, guys? IP DHCP X instead of the whole thing, okay?
Excluded address.
Excluded
It's
address,
too
yeah.
long. That
Yes.
one is good.
Now, do show IP route. So now we have this network, okay? We excluded to 99, right? So if we
Yes.
press this, it will get maybe 100.
100.
Make sense?
Yeah.
And this will be 101.
101.
What is APIPA, guys? APIPA means DHCP fail, and then the computer auto-assign itself an IP address. And then it starts with 169, right? 169 is APIPA address, okay? All right, so now this is done. All the 3 departments have their own IP. Now comes the time for us to interconnect them, right, guys? Interconnect them. Okay, so first thing we need to configure the interface. on each one. So we need to remember this router G00 goes to G00 R3. Right, guys? R2, G00 to G00, this line, right? On R3, G02 goes to G00 of R1. So we need to do some interface description. You guys remember that?
Yes.
Yes,
So
the
you're going to
label.
say interface G00 goes where? On R, it goes to R3, right?
Yeah. Description link to.
Yes. Link to R3. Make sense?
Yeah.
IP add 1111. No shutdown. And then interface G02. Description link to R1, right? And this is host R2. We need to make sure we have the host name. Interface G02. No shots. I want to make sure everyone is following, right? This part. We did this IP, this interface. We said description link to R2, R3. Now G02, we're going to say description link to R1, right? And then IP
Yes.
address, we're going to give 2221, and on the other side 2222. Okay.
Yeah.
Description link. Good. Now with the point to points.
So what is the purpose of the description?
Very good. Now this router, you have multiple interfaces now, right, Mr. Abdullah, right? So if you come here, for example, to this router, all the configuration, the running config goes to show run config, right? Remember that? Show running config. The running configuration will show you everything about this router, what has been done on it, okay? So for example, when I come to this router, no interface is an IP or everything is unassigned. So let's say we put an IP address here, okay? But when you read the running configuration, let's just do it on this one. Do show run. The description gives you some information compared to the other ones. See that? This one is telling at least G02, it's a route that's taking you to R1. At least you have some labeling when you read the configuration. Compared to this one, this doesn't say anything, right? Make sense? This we didn't put the description, it doesn't really tell you anything, right? However, it's G01, right? We know G01 goes to the HR LAN. If you go to interface G01 and set the description link to HR LAN, right? Now, if you do this, if you want to check all your configuration, it's much better when you have some information, right?
So
It
it's just a
doesn't
description.
yeah, that's the description. It doesn't impact anything in your configuration, but it's just a note.
That was
right?
what I
It's clear.
Yeah.
It's just a note.
Yes. Good?
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Mm.
So we've done this part. We put IP addresses. How do we check if we put IP address on interfaces? Do show IP interface brief, right? So we put 111 here. This is to the LAN, and this. As you notice, even though we did no shots, the status is up, but the protocol is down until we do no shots on both sides. Then everything is up. Make sense? So now, for example, if I come here, I do no shots to G00, this line will turn green because on the other side, it's already no shot mode. Make sense?
Yes.
Interface G00, IP add 1112, right? What
Can
would
you
be the
check?
description? No, I haven't done no shutdown yet. Link. Where is one going? So R2, right? From R3, guys, G00 takes you to R2, right?
Yes.
If you're on R2, G00 takes you to R3. So that's why I put this description. Make sense? No shutdown. Now the link becomes green.
Excuse me, Mr. David.
Yes, sir.
So description link to R1 or R2 or R3. So it's something new or something we just have to do it before to do anything.
You can do it at the ends, in the middle. It will always work. Make sense? For example, it's like a interface. You need to see interface like exits number. You know when you're driving, Mr. Serge, right? In Texas or maybe in your state as well, some exits have only numbers, like exits on Highway 20, right? Or exits 20. But if they put a description, it makes the exits more understandable, right? They can say exits 20 to the airports, right? Exits 20 to hospital, or exit 20 to South Lake. Make sense? The description is just explaining where this exit number is going.
So it's not a difference with the way we was doing it, like G interface G, like G01, no shutdown. So it's like that help us to connect two different router.
The description?
Yeah.
No, it's just informative. It gives you information.
Just a note for people to read.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. You got it, Mr. Abdullah. So, Mr. Serge, let me do this. You speak Lingala, right, Mr. Serge? So, Mr. Abdullah, excuse me for 1 second, okay? I'm going to type something in Lingala. So, interface G00. Let me show you. We are here, G00, okay? I'm going to say description. OK. Route numéro 1. Make sense. G00, c'est comme national numéro 1. OK? Maintenant, this is the description that's telling you où est-ce que le national numéro 1 t'amène. Make sense? Mais il y a des chauffeurs qui connaissent déjà numéro 1, c'est quoi? They don't have to understand the description. Ils savent déjà que G00 takes me there. Make sense?
Okay.
You understand now? On peut enlever ça, même si on efface. Si tu sais déjà que G00 goes to Bakomo, you just take G00.
Okay.
C'est un écriteau. It's like a label, right?
Okay, I understand now.
Make sense? Everyone understand now?
Yes.
Good. So now when you do show run, right, Mr. Search, when you do show run, c'est comme si you're reading your map, okay? Now, every exit must give you an information, right? Now, when you read the map, you come to G00, you see this message. Is it going to be useful or you don't care? It's useful, right? It's telling you this exit takes me to Bakomo, right? Make sense?
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Very clear. So now we are in this section is done, okay? We have IP address on each side. Do show IP interface brief. So we can test it. To test, so how do you test it? Every time you get a connection link green like this with IP address, from this side, just ping the other side to see if you can reach it, right? Since we are on 112, we can just try to ping 111 to see if you can talk to the other sides. Make sense? So exclamation mark in the router means success. Make sense? This means this line is reachable. This line is working, but this line is not reachable because we don't have IP and we don't even have it's not in, it's down as well, right? So G02. Let's do G02. Mr. Serge, I need you to do a G02 description.
So I have to see the topology.
Very good. Now you understand the description, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you say that, that means you understand what is description now. G02 goes where? G0
G02 goes to
R1, right?
R1, yeah.
Yeah, R1.
So we're going to say description link to
To
R1.
GR1, yeah.
Yes. Make sense?
Yeah.
And then no shots. IP address 3331. So make sense? And then we go to this one as well. We need to do G00 link to R3, G01 R2 link to R2. Make sense?
Yes.
See, when I do no shutdown on G00 here on R1, this becomes green because no shutdown was already executed on G02 here, okay? So now over there we did 3331. Here we're going to say IP add 3332. Description, Mr. Search here on G00 from R1.
R1 link to
G00.
G to R2.
Yeah. R2? Oh,
R3. So
G00. It goes, G00 goes to R3, right?
oh, okay,
R3.
to R3, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, very good. Then we have interface G02. No shots. This one goes to R1. Description, link to R1. IP add 222. Make sense? Looping. Let's try looping 3331. Success. Looping 2221. 2221 is what? Is R1, right, guys? On the other side. So R1 do show IP interface. Make sense? All the interfaces are up and working.
Hey, Miss David,
Yes.
I have a question. Can you please go back to the topology? I have a question.
Yeah, okay. I'm here.
Yeah, and then I have a question. I want to know, it is also possible in case like R3 want to go to R2, but the interface is down, then it can run by R1 and then reach R2. It
Very
is
good. Yes, very possible. So what David is asking is this. If R1, R3 wants to ping this HR, okay, and this cable is down, can it go this way? That's your question, right?
Yeah, is my question.
Is it possible, guys?
Yes, it's possible.
Yes, it's
Yes,
possible.
it's possible.
Yeah.
That's what we're learning today, okay? Okay, good. So, all right. So we have something called hop. Hop means how many stops until you reach the next destination. Make sense? How many stops are you going to? So now let's do this. I need someone to tell me what do we need to do so that these two VLAN or these two network can connect, can talk.
That is my problem.
Good. That's what we're here for. So that's the static routes. Okay.
You need to define the
Yes.
the status
Static
route.
route. So we're going to learn static route. We need to do the normal static route first. Okay.
Yeah.
when I'm logged in here. Let's
IP,
go ahead.
what is, you use which router?
I'm here. Let me do this IP config. So this IP is 30/30/30/60, okay? Let's label them outside. This is 30/30/30/60. Make sense? Let me get the IP so we know from the topology where
This
we
one
are.
is 16.
This is 30/30/61, right? Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is 2020/2012. This will be 2020/13, right?
Yes.
And on the other side, I think we put the hundreds, if I don't not, yeah. 10, 10, 10, 100, okay?
10101.
Good. Now we want to make sure that these PCs can ping those PCs. Let's do that part first. Anyone knows what to do?
We have to do the static.
Static routes. Good. So we go to this router. Okay, router 2, we want, Mr. Abdullah, let's first ping and see what happens, okay? We are here, we want to ping 30/30/60 from 2012, okay? Ping 30/30/30. Was it 60?
60, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, now whichever.
Mr. Abdullah, you see what's happening?
Yes.
Destination host unreachable, right? Make sense? It's
Yeah.
not reachable.
So
Whenever
does
you
it
see,
mean
go ahead.
does it mean we have to do the IP route things to create the static on this?
It means there is no this router who's dropping the request. When you're getting the message from who's replying to you? 2020/2011. Remember 2020/11 is the default gateway, right? IP config, right? Like I said, every time before you go from your network to a remote network, you must call your default gateway. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's why when this guy pings, he's getting a reply from the default gateway. Make sense? Default gateway is telling him destination is unreachable. Where you want to go is unreachable. And the default gateway is the router on top. Make sense? That's the interface we put on G01 on the router. So this is the router telling you that I don't know where to go to the 30,
That the
30,
problem
30.
is local. Yep.
Yes. Make sense? Yes. Problem is local. Which means when you go, how do we verify that? When you come here, you do show IP routes. Router doesn't make any decision without checking the route table. Make sense, Mr. Abdullah? The router
Excuse me.
doesn't. Go ahead.
Can you go back to the topology? Can you use the first device to the router 2? Yes. Router 2.
Router. So this is router. Oh, this one.
R2.
R2. This one, yes.
Left one.
Yeah. Can you use the device?
This one?
Yeah, I want to see what is the default
Default.
gateway.
So if you want to check that, check here first, right? Do show, or here, on the IP route table, okay? The network is what?
Because
20, let me show you, 20/20/20/0/24, okay?
yeah,
What is L?
Okay.
2020-2011. This is your
Seven.
default gateway. Your L is your default gateway. Make sense?
I asked this question because it seems like it is the same default gateway to the R3, the water tree. So why
Oh,
I
router
asked this
3?
question? Yeah,
Okay, let's check that. Router 3 is this, right?
yeah.
Let's check. It's 30-30-11.
Okay, okay.
The other one is 20-20-11. This one. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah,
Good,
now
good,
it's
good.
good now.
All right, good. So guys, so the L here should be your default gateway on the PCs, right? And also the IP, which is the IP on the interface at the same time, right? See this IP? This is your L. And that is that should be your default the default router when you configure DHCP. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, whenever you ping a network remotely, your PC must call that default gateway first. That's why you're getting destination unreachable from your default gateway. All clear?
Yeah.
Good. Now, destination host unreachable means in the route table, we don't have network 3030. It doesn't exist. That's why we're getting unreachable. Mr. Abdullah, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
This guy, they want to go to this network. But in their router, we don't have any network starting by 30. So it's dropping. I don't know which interface. Because look, this router has this interface, G01, G02, G00. Now you're pinging 3030. He needs to check the router to see which interface should I go. Make sense?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to show you how to do that. IP routes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go to the management. This guy. From here, we're going there. Make sense? 30, 30, 30, 30. So we need to give the remote network. Where do you want to go? Make sense? I want to go to 30, 30, 30, 0. You put the network. Make sense?
Network.
And
Yes.
how many are they? How many people in that network? That's their subnet mask, right?
Subnet mask. Yeah.
255, 255, 255, that's 0. And then who should you call to reach this network? Now, when you come here, we have 111 here and 112 on the other side. Make sense?
Yes.
This has bullied me a lot.
But you're getting it now?
You know, my previous one, the one I did with a bunch of pieces, I used the static to go through that, but I didn't know that the dynamic we have to still use the static code on the dynamic to make it communicate.
Got
I
it.
thought
But
it was
is it clear now to you? You understand it now?
very clear, very
Okay.
clear, very clear.
Okay. So now we're saying IP routes. You're telling, so what you're doing here, all right, Mr. Guys, team, everybody. This command, you are essentially coming to this route table, okay? And statically, right? You are adding this network here. That's what you're trying to do. You're telling this router, I understand you don't know how to go to 3030, but I'm telling you which route to take. Make sense?
Yes.
And then you will say you need to call 1112.
True.
But the network from 111 must exist in the route table. If it's not there, then you won't see the S there. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it make sense, guys? Because when we say call 112, the router will again check. Do I have any network for 11? Yes. If it's yes, then it will add this network inside. Does it make sense, team?
Yeah.
But if I put, for example, this is just an example, 4442, okay? I enter. The command is valid, but do show
You have it
IP
on
routes.
that.
There is no S. Why? Because 44 doesn't exist. You're asking me to call someone that I don't know. Make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense, guys?
Yes.
Now, if we put a next hop that already exists in the route table, for example, 112. This side is 111. The other side is 112. So the router knows where to go for the 111 network. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to, if you want to remove a route, you just go at the beginning of the line and then you do no.
No.
Make sense? Enter,
Yeah.
this is gone. Okay? And then we're going to put a clean one, IP routes, 30, 30, 30, 0, 255 that, 255 that, 255 that, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Make sense?
Yeah,
Enter.
Mr.
Go ahead.
David, I have a question.
Okay.
For example, if we forget to remove, to say like no IP routes, it be gonna affect our work, or
No, it
it
won't
doesn't
affect.
matter?
It will not affect, but you have many routes in the running config. Let me tell you. Let me see what you're saying. So let's say we put this one back, okay?
Yeah.
Now do show IP routes. We have a S because this is valid. It will just take the valid one and add it in. The invalid one won't show here. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Does it answer your question? But when you do the show run,
Mm-hmm.
all will be there, even the invalid
Oh,
will be
okay.
there. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But when I do no to this, right? So this is the running configuration, guys. Now, if I do no, I copy this and then I say no to it, then it will be removed. Make sense? Do
Okay.
show run, then there is only one line. The other one is gone.
Mhm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you want to see your route table, you just do show run, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do no, I mean all the configuration you've done so far. Do show run. And you see where it says more. On the more, you press space key on your keyboard. Space like that to load more. Okay. And then you can see at this section there is an IP route section. If you want to double check, maybe there was a typo in your IP route configuration, show run. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Also, this is another quick question, a quick thing. You can also filter something in show run because when you do show run, you have too many information, right, guys? But
Yeah.
you are looking for a specific thing. You can just say, oh, let me go back to privilege. You can say show run and then you put pipe. Pipe is this line, straight line, okay? Pipe and you say section IP routes. So you're telling the router something. You're saying, I need you to show me everything in the routing table, but only the part where there is IP routes. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Don't show me all of this. Just show me these parts. Make sense? Anything that has IP routes. When you hit enter, then you have the IP route only section. Make sense? Instead of showing you everything from the show run. Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
You don't have to understand it now. I'm just showing you. I'll be repeating it in every class. You'll get used to it. You can also say section DHCP. So you want to just verify the DHCP, nothing else, okay? Then it will just give you, oh, for DHCP, you did IP DHCP excluded, and you did the pool, and you did this. It tells you everything you've done for your DHCP connection, configuration. Make sense?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, so far we have now IP routes. We have an IP route going to 3030. Now, if we ping again, are we going to get destination host unreachable?
Yes, we'll still get unreachable.
No, we won't.
No,
Because
no.
we
Time
will
off.
get timeouts because
Time off.
now the
Okay.
router knows where to forward you, right?
Time
Router
out.
will forward you, but on the other end, there is no reply. So you're getting a request timeouts. Make sense?
Good. Configured.
Until we go to the second router, we tell
Before-
them how to go back to 20, okay?
Yeah.
Then here we're going to go there and say, sorry, config T, IP routes, 20, 20, 20, 0. Now we're telling router 3 how to reach the 2020, the routed 2's LAN, okay? 0, and we put their subnet mask, and then we put their router interface. Now do show IP routes. We have a S static route going to 20. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So now both of them, they know how to reach each other. And then the ping should be successful. Make sense?
Yeah.
All good? So this is one interview scenario based. I'll tell you what I'm talking about. When you go to the job interview, they'll ask you something like, hello, Mr. David Bakajika, can you tell me a time where you fix a networking issue, problem, right? You say, oh, I received a ticket where a user was trying to reach another user on a different department and they were getting destination host unreachable, for example, right? And then you have to explain them which steps did you take to solve the problem. And you go, next step, I check IP config from their computer and I notice everything was fine. They had an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Okay? And then you can say next, I check the cable, everything was good. Every time you mention cable, that's layer 1. When you're troubleshooting, you go layer 1 and up. Make sense? Check the cable, everything was plugged in. I checked IP config, layer 3 already. They had IP address, they had a default gateway, and then I went to the router, I did show IP routes. I noticed the network on which they wanted to go didn't exist in the route table, so I executed the commands, IP routes, and then I was able to manually add that route in the route table. And I did it on the other router as well for the traffic back. Asked the user to test, the user tested using the ping test, and the response was successful. That's a scenario, that's a story to tell. They just ask you simple story to tell them, like, tell us any networking problem that you fixed. And then you just tell the story. You don't need to tap comments. On the interview, you're just saying stuff. Make sense?
Yeah. Mr. David,
Go
I got
ahead.
a question.
Yes.
Let's say that all the configuration is okay. The
Yes.
command doesn't have any issue, but we have a bad connection.
What do you mean bad connection? Like it's slow
Like,
or it's not connecting?
yeah, it may be slow, it becomes slow. How we gonna figure out?
How are you gonna figure out? So now there
Yeah.
is some special tool to do our network analyze. So we have something like packet capture, Wireshark. You use it and then you test the connection. There's something that called speed test. Speed test is whenever you go, for example, to google.com, you hit enter, it's calculating your speeds. Now, if there is an issue, usually it's the ISP. You call the ISP, and then maybe they will tell you, you need more bandwidth, you need more capacity, you need more data. Sometimes it's data only.
Are we gonna learn it in this class?
That is ISP level. We're going to learn mid level. This is mid level. No, not in this place. In AWS, yes. AWS lesson we'll learn that. Yes.
Okay.
Very good, very good. But sometimes I'll show you what happens. So now, good. Now we have this section is working. Can anyone establish this section? Now we're going from HR here, okay, to sales. You understand, guys?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we're gonna go from this to these guys, okay? So let's start by, I always start by pinging, get it to fail and fix it, okay? So let's ping 10, 10, 10, 100 or 101 from these guys. So ping 10, 10, 10, 100. What will be the answer, the response, guys? If I hit enter?
Destination host unreachable.
Yes, because this router, when you do show IP routes, there is no network starting by 10, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
We have 1, we have 2, we have 20, we have 30. We don't have 10. So we need to manually add 10. Make sense?
Yes.
And we know that this router is connected to their router on the 222 network. Make sense? So
Yeah.
we need to check if on this side is 221, then on the other side is 2222. So we're going to put that one. IP routes 10, 10, 10, 0, and we put their subnet mask. And then 2,
Yes,
2,
yes.
2, 2. I missed something? No. Now do show IP routes. Now we have a new S, right, guys? We have
Yes.
222. Good. All right. Slowly, we're building it very slowly, progressively. Now from here, we need also to say R1, we need to show them how to reach 2020 and how to reach 3030, right, guys?
Mhm.
So we're going to say IP routes 10, oh no, 2020. No, we need to be in global config mode. Guys, if you don't understand anything here, please stop me. Always. And then 2, 2, 2, 1. IP routes. We need to go to 3030, right, guys?
Mhm.
From R1, 0. They have tweet, 1. Okay. Now do show IP routes. Now we have a static route going to the 2020 and static route going to the 3030. Is that clear, guys? We have a route going to this one and one going to this one. And from here, we need to do one going to the 10, 10, 10. Make sense?
Mhm.
Is it confusing?
No, it's clear.
No.
Okay, thank you. And then 8, 8, 8, 2. That's right, you are. Now, from here, we can ping these guys and those guys from this PC, okay?
Mhm.
Let's try it. Ping 20, 20, 20. Was it 11? Did I pick the right IP? 12. Oh, no, it's 12. Come on. 20, 20, 20, 12 is not going through. Failure. So we need to investigate. What about the 60? What was the 30, 30? What was the IP? 30, 30, 60, right? 60,
Yeah.
let's see. Let's see what we get. 60 is also failing. 30 is failing. Okay, now troubleshooting. That's when your job starts.
We need to add the IP route.
We have it. We have 20, 20, 20, right? We have 30, 30, 30. Now let's ping. And then we have L here, 22, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so let's ping. Do ping.
Can we?
Go ahead.
I want to say, can we check if the device got
An IP?
a default gateway?
Good question. Let's check
Yes.
that. Troubleshooting. Ping. Oh no, IP config.
No, doesn't
Yes,
have anything.
we do.
Where is? Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
there is one.
So now question, let's check here now. What do we have on the L? You see the problem now? The IP address you put on the interface must be the default gateway.
Mm.
You see the problem?
Mm.
Do show IP interface brief, right? What do we have here on G01? 10, 10, 10,
10,
11.
11.
Okay?
Yeah.
Which means these guys, to go anywhere else, they must call 10, 10, 11. Okay? So now what do we have here?
10, 10, 1.
We have one.
10.1.
So we need to make sure we change the default gateway on the DHCP, right?
Mm.
How do we change that? How do we check the DHCP? Do show IP.
Yeah, we need to go
DHCP
in the pool again,
pool.
change the network address.
Yeah, but show IP DHCP pool helps you find the pool name. Okay?
Yeah, the pool.
It sells. So we're going to say IP. Very good, Mr. Patrick. IP DHCP pool sells, right? And then we just have to say default router was 10, 10, 10, 11, right?
Yeah.
Then once we do that, we just come here and then what? We need to request a new one. How do we remove this? IP config.
IP
config
clash release.
Release.
This is gone. Very good. And then
renew.
IP config renew.
very good. Now we got 11. All right, guys?
Yeah.
Super easy. Super easy stuff.
Super easy. Easy money.
Easy money. All right. So now we got 11 here though as well. Then the ping will be successful. Make sense?
Yes.
So in any networking device, whether it's router or switch, look here. We've already tapped in some commands in the past, right? You don't have to tap. You can, if you want to, tapping ping again, but you just tap the upper arrow on your keyboard. It will call all the commands you typed before. Make sense? Does it make sense, guys? Now it's working, right?
You see, we have to use the arrow.
La flèche d'au-dessus sur le clavier.
Okay.
The upper arrow. Il y a un endroit où there's arrows up, down, left, right.
Left, right.
Yes.
Yeah. Upper arrow calls back the old commands you type. Instead of retyping again, right?
Okay.
Good. All right. So now we can talk everywhere, right, guys? This guy can go there, he can go there, and so on. Now, David, Bakajik, are you there?
Yes, I am.
On va maintenant résoudre your problem, right? David's questions was if this line is down, right? Et que this guy wants to go over there, can he just go this way? Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
That was my question too.
Good.
Yeah. Because when I did my assignment, I found the same problem.
Okay, let's try to fix it. It's called floating static routes. No, let's not do this floating static route. We can, yeah. So floating static routes, let me show it to you. Floating static routes. Floating static route means there is a backup route. It's a backup route. Just in case the primary fails, the backup will take over, okay? So we will go here, okay? In router tweet, we're going to say IP routes going to 20, right? We already have one going to 20, 0, 255.255.255.0. Now, if we want it to go this way, right, guys? We need to put the next hop, the IP over there, right? That will be 3332. Make sense?
No.
2. Now we have something called administrative distance, okay? Administrative distance means what? Here there is, in every IP route, at the end, there is administrative distance of 1. And you can see that here. See, this number is administrative distance. Can you see that? This one is invisible, so they don't write it. So now if you add another route, okay? 1 second, let me fix something. If you put a number that is higher than 1, then that route table becomes the backup. The other one becomes the primary. I'll show you. For example, I put 10 there at the end. Enter. Do show one type section IP routes. Now let's take a look here. We have route going to 20. Look at this. Can you guys see that? This IP route going to 20, same subnet mask. This is going to 20, same subnet mask. All right, guys? But this one is going to 111. This one is going to 3332, which is R1. All right, guys? The last one, let me show you the topology. From here to go to 2020, the 111 was this way, right? This path takes you to 11. When you use 111, you go this path, okay? When you use 3332, you go this path to go there. Make sense?
Yeah.
Is that clear? No? Silence?
Yes.
We have routes here. IP routes 2020 go to 111. 2020 go to 3332, but with 10 at the end, or it can be 5. Any number that is superior to 1. If you put it there, it makes a backup route. Make sense?
We can put 2.
2, 1, 5. No, not 1. 2, 3, all the way to the ends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hooker, so that this becomes the primary. The lowest number is the primary. The highest number,
Okay.
we assume this is invisible 1, okay? Now this is 10, so this will only work until this is unreachable.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Make sense? Now, my second question here. If we do a shutdown on G00, okay? Interface G00, shutdown, right? It's down, okay? That means if we want to go to 20 on the 11, it's closed, right? The road is closed, right, guys? Now we have an IP route that needs to go over there. Let's try to ping 20, 20, 20, 12 from this PC, okay? Ping 20, 20, 20, 12. Anyone can guess what will be the response code?
Unreachable.
Unreachable or success?
It will be success because
It will be success? Let's see.
It be success.
It will be success. But we're getting request timeout. Why? Let me show you why. From router 2, this router 2, okay? Because this line is down, so router 2 no longer have 30, 30, 30 in the route table. Make sense? Now, router 2 doesn't know how to respond to 30, 30. Now, we need also to tell router 2, if you have a path, a request that comes to you this way, okay? From them, you need to reply this way as well.
okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Because router 2 doesn't know, he's trying to reply here. This is closed, but he doesn't know that he can go over there and come here. Make sense? We need to tell him the same way we told R3, if you can reach this network, you must go this way, right? We need also to tell R2 to reply this way. Make sense?
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
So this is 222 over there. So we're going to say
30 IP route 30, 30, 30.
yes, IP. Oh, we need to even config.
30, 30, 30.
2, 2, 2, 2. And then we give it maybe 10 over there because it's a backup as well, right?
So, Mr. David.
Yes.
So, on that case, if you understand, it's like we have to do the same thing to the each router.
Yes. The same thing.
Because it's like a mathematic fresh reflection.
Yes.
Flèche aller et
aller,
accompagné des flèches retour. So
you got it.
on
You
all
got
of
it. You got it. Yes. Very good.
okay.
Very good point. Yes.
All right.
Good. So now, as you can see, we have two routes going to 3030, right? We can use this one, but if this one is down, we can go over this one, okay? So now let's try to ping again. See, we're getting timeouts. Now it's working. Now there is a command. We don't know which path it's taking. Now we can use a command to check which stop is it taking to know, okay, it's the packet, like tracking number. You know how you go to USPS and you put your tracking number to check, oh, my packet went to this city, that city, it's in the post office, now it's on the way to my house. Amazon has that too, right? Tracking number, right? Track your package. So here it's called trace route. Trace your route, tracing route, okay? Trace route. So trace routes like this, okay? Now in Windows, we type trace RT. It stands for trace routes. Make sense? Trace RT 2020-2012. Remember, we pinged this IP first, right? We got successful, okay, guys? Don't feel intimidated with the commands. We have 4 months together, now 3 months left. We're going to be using this command over and over until you register in your head. Okay, guys? Trace routes, enter. Now it's showing me which stops did I take to reach my final destination. Does it make sense? Do you guys understand? I was going to 3030. I went first to 303011. What is 303011? The default gateway, right? And then from 303011, I went to 3332. From 3322, I went to 2221, and then I reached my destination. It's telling you how many stops until the final destination. Does it make sense?
That means is all next up.
All the hops. Tous les stops. It's like a bus.
Okay.
The bus is leaving this computer 30 going to 2012. The ping test. That's what it means, right?
The route 2 doesn't need to do the same thing to reach the water tree. Are we gonna work anywhere?
No.
Mr. David.
Let me explain here, guys.
Mr. David.
Yes.
That means the first IP address will be the IP address for the gateway, because the gateway is the next up. After that, it's gonna go to the next.
It's giving you. So
okay,
when your ping leave here, right? It first goes to the default gateway here.
Default gateway, yeah.
303011, right?
Okay.
This guy will call 3332, which is this place, right?
Okay.
It comes here. This guy will call 2221 here, right? When he hits 2221, then he knows how to go to your destination. So trace what is giving you all the circle, the point, the stops. We have 1, 2, default gateway, here, and final stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense?
Yes. My question is, if we follow the way that you say, and we want to be sure that the water 2 can ping water 3 too, are we gonna do the same thing, or are we gonna work anywhere?
Same thing. Wait, what did you say? Water 2, R2 want to ping what? R3?
Yes.
Oh, so in networking, guys, right? If this guy can ping him and get the reply, the other way around is valid. That means this guy can also ping back. It's like you have my phone number, I have your phone number, okay?
Okay, so we
If I
can do
can call
only
you,
for
that
one
means you can
water.
call me. Come again?
So we can do only for one water and we can ping anywhere.
I don't understand.
I said that
Can you ask your question in French, please?
vous avez en fait utilisé le troisième routeur.
Yes.
Vous avez mis la commande pour arriver au deuxième
Routeur 2,
routeur.
à travers routeur 1, oui?
Oui. Et le fait que ça peut communiquer, donc on n'aura plus besoin de faire la même chose pour le deuxième routeur vers le troisième routeur. Parce que de toute façon, ça communique. Donc,
On a déjà fait la même chose.
on a fait la même chose dans les deux côtés.
Yes. Why you see that this is R2, right? R2 can go to 30, 30, 30 using 112, or you can go to 30, 30, 30 using 2222, which is R1. Make sense?
Okay. Okay.
Maybe you just missed that part. Is that
Now
clear,
I
guys?
understand.
You understand?
Yeah.
If we do it one way, it's not going to work. It will get request timeouts. Good. Very, very good. Now, trace route is the new command, right, guys? Trace route, besides ping, right? Trace RT. So ping only tells you if the route is reachable, right? But ping doesn't give you enough information like which stop am I going to, on which hop am I taking. Make sense? Now, trace route is telling you all the stops. It's like I said, when you order a package, if they say package arrive, okay, you don't care. But if you want to know, now, if it's taking too long, right, to arrive, what you usually do, you go there, you put your tracking number, and then it tells you the stops, right, guys? Like, it's in this facility, the driver is on the way, only when you want to know if there's a problem. That's when you use this. Ping, you use it to test if it's working, but if it's failing, let me show you something here. G01. If G01 is down, can this guy ping from R2? Let's turn off interface G01, okay? Shut down. Now G01 is down, okay? This PC wants to go here. It's trying to
working.
Yeah. Ping. Now, when you do this, let me show you guys. When you ping, you're getting destination host unreachable, okay?
Unreachable, yes.
But you want to know where it's unreachable. Make sense? Then if you do trace routes, trace RT, I think I had it already. Just up arrow here. See, it's telling you the four gateways reachable, right? I can reach this guy, I can reach that guy. But when I reach 222.1, they're dropping me. That's why you're getting those requests down. You see that?
Okay.
Now, this helps you identify where is the problem to go fix it. Make sense?
Very serious.
Come again?
It's a very serious. It give it out so clearly.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Then you know, oh, okay, it's failing on 2221. Now, if you have a topology, you know 221 means this router, right, guys? Because this is, let me show you. This is 2222, and here is what? 2221. Yes. Same as here is 3332, and this is 3331. Now, trace route is giving you some information. That's why you use as troubleshooting tool at work, right? They say, oh, somebody complained we can't reach this IP. Now you run the trace routes, then you can see where is the block. It's on 2221. 2221 is this router. You go there, and then you do show IP interface brief. Then you'll find out that the LAN which you're trying to ping, right, is down. Make sense?
Yeah.
and then you do no shutdown.
No sure.
It goes up. Now you come back here, you check your trace route. It should complete soon. It will still once. Whenever the connection is successful, you get some message that says trace completes. Interface is still orange, so let me make it go fast. See that? Trace completes. Make sense?
Yeah.
We finally reached the destination. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Good. And there is something else, ping. What was the ping? This was the ping, right? Now ping is successful. Now ping will also only tell you request timeouts. It doesn't give you all the detail, but trace route will tell you it's timing out at this particular location, right? And then you go there and fix it. All clear, guys?
Yeah.
Good. Now, let's turn back up this interface. Now this interface is back up, right? I said this one is highest priority, okay? Now, if we go back here, we do another ping. Let's see. It's taking some time because he has to go back to the new routes, right? Now we're pinging. Now we need to do the trace routes. What's happening now, guys? When you compare these trace routes, okay, versus these trace routes, what's the difference? We have an additional stop, right? This is 4 stop. This is 3 stop. 3 stop because now we're going 1 stop, 2nd stop, 3rd stop, right? But when this line is down, we go 1 stop, 2nd stop,
2, 3,
3rd, 4th, right?
4.
Make sense?
Yes.
So something new was added, guys. It was the backup route, just in case something failed, okay? So let me show you what happens. When you do ping -t, it was, 2020 12. When you do ping and then -t, like tango, it means continuous ping. It will never stop. When I do this, the ping continues. Make sense? Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
The ping will continue to go. Now, while it's pinging, I'm going to come here and then I'll stop that interface, okay? Let's say somebody unplugged the cable, all right? The ping will stop temporarily. It will stop temporarily because we disconnected it, right? Actually, it didn't even stop. It continues on the second route. Make sense?
Yeah.
Did you guys notice that?
Yes.
I stopped the ping, but this guy is still going. It's not
Yes.
failing because it picked the second path, right?
25.
Okay.
But if I block both routes, then it's dead. G02 down, that's it. The network is completely down, right? Interface G02, shut down.
Shut down.
Now let's see what happened to the ping. Unreachable, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we turn off both primary route and backup routes. Now, if I come back here, I go to interface G01, no, G00, turn that no shutdown. Let's see what happened to the ping. It should recover soon. Can you see that? All right, guys, is it a lot of information, guys?
It's okay.
Mr. Abdullah, Mr. David, Miss Nicole, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Is it clear, Miss Francine? Francine? Savannah?
Yes.
It's clear.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Mr. Igboui, are you there? Is that clear? Vous comprenez ce que je fais? Miss Joyce, I can't hear you
Yes,
today.
yes, sir.
Andy, Benny, any questions?
I mean, it's a lot of information, but like you say,
Yeah.
keep doing it over and over and over again. So
Yeah, good. But the normal static routes, good, right, guys?
yeah, it's good.
So at this point, Mr. David, he has to keep on going like this. There is no way to stop it. Is that at this
Control
point?
C, Control C, Control C.
Okay.
It will stop it like this.
Okay.
But if you do ping with T, it will just keep going. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you remove the T, then only four pings, right?
Okay.
That's it. Make sense? 4 packets sent. But if you add the T, then it's a continuous ping. You use this to test the network.
Okay. Mhm.
David, did I answer your question, David Bakajika?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Very good. So there's a lot of good stuff to learn, guys. It's very interesting, this stuff. I will go slowly with you jusqu'à ce que on va completely master it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow, back to it again.
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
One more time, right?
that was
Now,
good.
Yes.
one more time tomorrow.
We'll conclude it tomorrow.
You complete tomorrow?
So we will conclude dynamic tomorrow.
Mr.
Okay.
David,
Yes.
I have the last question.
Yes.
The floating static route can only work if we have the router that it is interconnected.
Yes.
Only on this way, but if we have like let's say the line of
Like
the
this?
line,
You have another router like this?
yeah, and we don't have the router one. It's only follow like, I don't know how we say horizontal
Oh
in
no,
English.
horizontal.
Yeah.
So
So
what she means is that like the router
we,
that you
Even
the
like
router
this. It
that
does the position doesn't matter, right?
no what
yeah,
she
that
means
one, the router one is connected to the router 2 and 3. But my question is, if we don't have a router one, we have
If
we
we don't have
just
this, right? We only have
yes,
these two. Then we
yes,
don't need
and
backup because it's only one way, right?
no, and
I
you
mean
had like
like
two water.
another one making it 3. But all
Oh, let
Yeah.
me understand what you're saying. So you say we have a situation like this.
perfect.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Good.
We don't need to use the floating static road.
Yeah, this one won't have floating top if they are connected like this, right?
Yeah.
You
Got
can have
that.
the floating is only if one water has something like this.
Yeah.
Then you can go this way or you can go that way. Make sense?
Yeah. So that is my question. If
Yes,
now
correct.
we need to
If it's just
connect.
one line like this, no floating routes. Yes.
Okay.
Make sense? Unless there's something else, like
That was my
connecting there.
question.
Got it. Good question. That's a good question. Mr. Abdullah, that was your question too? Now, good. Unfortunately, we didn't learn everything today that I meant to teach because it was very crucial that I go slowly to make you guys understand this. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So can you guys give me 10 minutes to show you guys something quickly?
Okay.
No problem.
10 minutes, please. 10 minutes. let's forget the big topology, okay? It's just this.
Hey, Mr. David,
Yes, sir.
please, can you send again I don't know if that was the link or the way you can set up the LinkedIn?
LinkedIn, okay. Okay. The YouTube video, I put a YouTube video in the group, right? For you guys to set up LinkedIn.
I did not
Someone did
see.
it. I think Miss Francine, did you do it?
I have an account with that, but that was an account where I was, so I create my account, but I'm trying to change, to use the same account to change the title.
Okay. Can you allow me after today?
No, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. No,
Okay.
I want just to see
Yeah.
if you can just send the how to set up. So I want to follow just the thing so I can set up my own and the different position or title.
Good. I'll do that.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. And we will do your resume, guys, at the end.
All right, thank you.
R1. This is just introduction of what we're going to learn probably tomorrow or next week, okay? It's still with static route. Static route has few things to know about. For R1, network 10.0. Everyone understand this, what I'm doing, right?
So you start with the DHCP before everything.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you, like from the beginning, right? You can start with DHCP and then you do your configuration, it will still work. Make sense?
Yeah.
It's not connected. It's two separate stuff. It's like you can cook fufu and then you cook chicken and then you cook fish. There's no order. Whatever you start with, it will still be cooked, right?
Yeah, but I think this way also, I think to be honest, is the easiest way.
When you start with DHCP?
Yeah, the reason why I'm saying this because the DHCP is gonna assign for you all the computer. It's gonna assign the IP for all the computers.
Oh yes, automatically.
Yeah, it's gonna assign for you all the computers, the IP computers. So the only thing you have just to go and copy and put it to show that on the topology, but it's gonna be assigned already. It's gonna be easy. Yeah.
But once you master it, then there is no easy way, right? You just do how you want, right? Make sense, Mr. Serge?
Yeah.
Once you master it, then you don't care about what is easy. You do what you want to do at that particular moment, right?
Yeah.
think this is 10, 10, 10. Okay. Let me just do it. Running out of minutes. Do it quickly. One, 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 two.
I wish I could be super fast like this.
It comes with time. It comes with time. You will get it, and you'll be surprised when that happens.
Yes, I believe it.
One. Okay, this is the wrong one. Okay, good. Let's see. DHCP. Okay, now new thing, guys. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
When we do IP routes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this, when we put this network, means anybody here can connect to any device there, okay? So now we're doing many to one, like this. Make sense? We have many to one, many to many. Oh, on network to network. Many to many or network to network. I'll explain myself, guys. So what we're trying to do, guys, we want now many to one, right? We want user from, let's say this is HR, okay? HR. And this is management, okay? But in this management, this PC is a senior manager, okay? The owner of this PC. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
But this guy is a regular manager, he's just a manager, okay? Now, people in HR, okay? They have a lot of sensitive information by employee. Only senior manager can talk to the HR, not this guy. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
We want all people in HR only to talk to the senior manager, not to this regular manager or any other regular manager, right? Let's say we have 200 regular manager with one single senior manager. So now there is a many, but this manager can talk to all of them. Make sense? But they can only talk to him. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Abdullah, are you there? So we're going to do that. We're going to say IP routes instead of going to the, when you put 2020/24 means everybody, right? Now we want to go to only one person. So it's a new command now. That's all I wanted to show you guys. IP routes. Now we're not going to everyone, we're going to 20/20/23, right?
Yeah.
3 is a single usable address, single person. It's not everybody, right? 255.255.255.255. That's what it is. This is, if you see a subnet mask that is everything 255.255 means one single person. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
And then we're going to go to 1.1.1.2. 1.1.2 here. All right, guys? Enter. Oh, sorry. What did I miss? IP routes. This version of Packet Tracer doesn't take it. Okay. 1 second. I put multiple. Okay. Good. And then 1.1.1.2. Okay, it's okay. Make sense, guys? Do show IP routes. Now look at this. We have static routes, okay? Going to 2020/23/32. Single thing. Right, guys? Via 1.1.1.2. Which means these guys can go to the senior manager calling 1.1.1.2. And on this side, 1.1.1.1.1. Now, in here, we can go back to all of them because he must talk to everybody in HR. Make sense?
Okay.
IP routes, 10, 10, 10, 0. When you put the network, then you put the whole subnet mask. If you put a single IP, then you put everything 255.255.255. Make sense?
Okay.
One,
So
one,
to do
one,
this in
one.
order for us to be able, I mean, we have to do this in order for that computer to communicate with the manager.
Yes. There you go.
So we don't need to follow the subnet mask, the senior manager, for example, if the subnet mask is 255.255.255.192.
Yes. No. 255. Anything or single IP, it just same subnet mask. 255.255.255 4 times.
Okay.
Yes. Very good. Very good question. Make sense? Now
Yeah.
let's try to ping this guy. Ping 20/20/23. It's thinking about it. Let's see what happens.
It's not going through.
It's not going to. Let's check what is our default gateway here. Whenever the ping fails, first thing, check the default gateway. ipconfig. Okay, this one has a default gateway of 1, right? 20/20/21. Very good. And let's check, and this is 3. And here, what do we have? IP config. This is also good. Let's try again. Okay, it's not going through. Let's check the IP route here. 10.10.24. You show IP routes. Okay, we have a static. 111. Success. So we went to 10, 10. Oh.
10.10.0, the
It's
address for the
0.
network.
It should be /32 here, right?
Yep.
Let's fix it. IP routes 10, 10, 10, 0. And then 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now it's showing /20 /34. So I have to remove this. Which one did I put first? Oh, this one. Makes sense? I put 255 full instead of 255
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
So I need to put a no there. This is
No.
gone. All right. Now let's try working. Make sense? We're going to 3, senior manager. So we want to go to, what was the other guy? 2, right? Unreachable. Make sense? Can you guys see that? They can go to the senior manager, but when they go to the manager, it's unreachable.
Unreachable, okay.
Because the static route only goes to one person. It doesn't go to many people.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Let's say we add, and anything anybody else we will add we won't reach him because we are only authorizing access to the senior manager. Does it make sense? Yes?
Yeah.
Now, if we add this guy, let's get his IP. This is 4, right? When we ping 4, we get the same message unreachable because we are only allowing to reach one single person. Make sense? Now we can say, let's say this guy got promoted, PC10, okay? He also became a senior manager. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay.
Now he's PC4, right? This guy is PC4. We just need to permit him over there. Make sense? It was 20, 20, 24. Sorry.
555.
Make sense? Then the new manager can also talk to HR, the new senior manager. Make sense?
I see. Okay.
He can also talk, but 2 must be whitelisted, must be allowed. 2, they will refuse him access, is unreachable. So static route can go from many to one person, or many to 2 people, right? Or many to all. It's not just talking to everyone. You have to specify where you want to go. Make sense? Good. That's just one thing. I wanted to touch base. It's just because the DHCP, that topology was so big, this one, that's why it consumed time, right?
Yeah.
3 routers.
Good. Very good. So, come again?
So we got it.
You got DHCP, right?
Yeah.
And static route. I think you're getting static route now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, please practice this tonight. Static route going to all of them are going to a single IP. Try that. Okay, guys? So going to a single IP, you just put that IP address. Remember, subnet mask will be 255.255.255.255. That's it. That's the only difference. If it's 0 here, then you put the normal subnet mask, 0.0. Make sense? Good. You guys want, you know how to build this topology. You need a picture or it's fine?
It's fine.
Yeah,
Good.
you can just put it.
Mr. David,
Yes, sir.
please can you send like the step by step as you did on the thing?
Best. I'll do that. That's the better idea. Best idea.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'll send an assignment step by step. Static route using going to one single host and going to multiple hosts.
Yes.
So guys,
So are we to use one topology or we have to use different topologies for that?
oh, you could do it also here. I just wanted to create this so that it doesn't look too messy, too big, right, for you guys. You can go here, you say IP route just to this PC, not everybody, right? From here. Make sense?
Yeah.
You can apply it anywhere. You can say, okay, I want management only to talk to this PC in sales, not everybody. Then you put IP route to a single host IP, 255.255.255.255.255. Make sense? Is that clear? We could do it here. I didn't want to just put so many things on here. That's why I refresh you guys by creating a simple one.
All right.
Okay. Good. Very good. And remember the enable password. Anyone remember that? Enable passwords.
Yeah.
For example, KCA123,
Mm-hmm.
banner MOTB. For example, welcome. Sorry, message banner MOTB. Message of the day. Now, when you exit, right? When you enter, you have the welcome message here, right? And once you hit enable, it asks you for the password you set, 123. And that's it. All right, guys? Few little things I showed you today. This and the description, right? Good. Now I'm going to design a lab, an assignment for static route using going to a single host and also going to all, right? Good.
Today's recordings is very important. Please can you drop it earlier?
The recording, it takes 1 hour to get ready, right? And then I'll send it to you. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. David.
All right. Good night, guys. So sorry for the delay.
No.
Good night.
Okay.
Bye.